Hi everybody and welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily use GitHub. So at first you have to open your web browser. Here, as you can see, I do have Google, and now let's just write the github.com. Now we are on the GitHub website. As you can see, here, build and ship software on a single collaborative platform. At first, to just dive into GitHub, we have to create an account. Let's click sign for GitHub, and here we have to enter our email. So let's wait a moment. I will just have to log into my account. So as you can see, these are all my credentials I've entered. We have to enter our email. We have to enter our password. As you can see, password should be at least 15 characters or at least 8 characters, including a number and a lowercase letter. Here we can type our username. As you can see, mine are not available. Mine is not available. So let's modify it. For example, HR info dev. As you can see, username may only contain alphanumeric characters or single hyphens and cannot begin and end with an hyphen. Here we have our country or region. We can select our region or write it, for example, US, not US, it will be America. Yeah, it's of America, but I will select my own Poland. Here we can enable or disable the receive option of occasional product per update announcements. We can check it if you want the email preferences, but I won't, and click continue. Now, as you can see, we have the captcha. Let's click, for example, visual captcha, and now we have to find the same picture on the left and on the right with these arrows. As you can see, this is this one, I guess. Let's send this. And this is not this one. Let's try again. I hate captchas. This is this one. Let's send it. And now we have to find the same thing, but in different color. It's this one. As you can see, now we have the code, so let me insert this code from my mail. And after inserting, we can log into our account. So let me log into our account using my credentials. And as you can see, now we are logged in. So this is the dashboard of our GitHub. Here, using this button, we can create a repository. Let's click on the create repository. This is, I think, the best feature in the GitHub. The only good. And here we have the owner, and this is us. We can add some people to this, as you can see, and create a repository name. HR video. Here, as you can see, we have the description. We can add description to this repository, for example, HardReset.Info tutorial video about GitHub. Here we can set the privacy for our repository. It either can be public or private. I will set this as a private. And here we can initialize our repository with the README file. We can add it or discheck it. Here we can add a GitInr. As you can see, GitInr template. We have a lot of GitInr templates, as you can see. Choose which files not to track from a list of templates. Here we have the licenses. We can set the licenses. As you can see, we have a lot of licenses here. Mozilla public license, GNU Lesser general public license, etc. Here we can click create repository now. And now this is our repository. As you can see, HR video, private, setup, GitHub Copilot, add collaborator to this repository, and yeah. That's it of our repository. Here we have the issues, actions, pull requests, project, security, insights. Insights are just our, as you can see, I'll not see because I didn't do anything. Stats. Now let's go to our account to show you something. Here, as you can see, we have our account. Now, as you can see, we can set the contribution settings to private or to activity overview. Here we can, with this button, edit our profile, add name, our bio, pronouns, company location, display current local time, our email, website, social accounts, everything to just advertise ourselves. Here, if we have some older account, we can set the years of doing, as you can see, these contributions. Here, as you can see, we have stats, joined GitHub today, first repository, which is private. Here we can go into the repositories, and as you can see, here we can see our repository, which is HR video, HardReset.Info tutorial about GitHub. Let's open this repository. Here, as you can see, we have the settings of our repository, and here we can set it as a template repository or uncheck the template repository. Require contributors to sign out web-based commits. Here we have the features, YKs, for example. YKs host documentation for your repository. We can disable and enable issues, enable display a sponsorship button, enable discussion button, show the projects, manage pull requests, archives, danger zone issues, etc. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you liked this video and hope it helped you very much. And that's really it. Goodbye.